let's look at the kanji now, the first part of park, and that's this one here, public. Public. Have a look over here and you can see that public plus the kanji underneath for park equals public park, ko-en, and that is what we would call a park. Let's check the stroke order. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to have a look at the kanji reference book. We can see here this is what it looks like when it's printed, and it's made up of two parts that we can recognize these days. At the top there's hachi for 8, and at the underneath that's that katakana mu. Katakana mu. So we've got 8 and mu. Now you might be able to make a little story about that. Anything's fine, but let's just go and have a look what the actual origin of these two elements is. Here we have it. You can see the kanji is over here and down here, and originally, if we just go down, we can see that it was a remnant primitive. It's the speaking from the mouth that is released and made public. So this element here, the one that is like the katakana mu, originally was a mouth, and it was released using that bit that looks like an 8 or a hachi. So here we can see all the different forms. There's the mouth, and there's it's being released, and another mouth and it's being released. So that's making it public, public. Now perhaps a good way that I'd like to think about it is that mu element below is very often used to mean myself, and then on top is 8. So it's not just myself, it's 8 people, so it's now public. Okay, back to our page 4. Public, so you can check your stroke order there. Let's go down and have a look at the kanji for yard or garden. First it's stroke order. Okay, this is quite a complicated one, starting with a outside boundary. Then inside we've got the element for land, mouth, and a few extra strokes, and then close the boundary off. There we have it. Okay, here's the reference book, and we can see what it looks like in its printed form. It means yard or garden, and we can see the elements here are enclosed. That enclosure, that's this main radical which goes down at the left, across and round at the right, then you fill in the middle, then you close it off left to right. And let's see what we've got in the middle. We've got earth up on the top, that's ich, ni, san, that's place or earth. You've certainly got that in a park. Then you've got mouth. Well, there are lots of people go to the park. There are lots of mouths in there, and they often take ice cream, so lots of mouths to feed. And underneath, this element here means far. And you've got ichi, ni, just like a katakana I, haven't you? And then you've got another ichi, ni over here, and that means far. And put them all together, it means a garden.